benchmark, Safari has arrived at BC India 2013. I have with me Shrama Bharot for Safari.
Hello. We have displayed this JK mini crane here. We are in an industry since 15 years for this mini crane, and this is our own design. We started with 150 kg model, and today this crane which we are displaying is 1 ton model, and this is a fully automatic crane. Okay, it comes with automatic boom rotation, and up and down lifting is also done with remote control. This is a dismantle crane. You can dismantle it into 5 different parts and take it on your terrace or any floor from where you want to lift your material. Any construction material like tiles, cement, sand, steel can be lifted with this crane. We have all the major companies of India are our customers, like L&T, Simplex Infrastructure, Gannon Dunkerley, Shapurji Palanji. They all have approved this crane and are using it successfully. And it's a very labor-saving crane, because otherwise there was no option if this crane was not available. Like, they had to manually carry concrete, sand and everything on top of the building. So for construction, this is like a boon to all the contractors. It saves money, it reduces labor, it maximizes profit for everybody.
So ma'am, how positive has been your response from the Indian customers?
The response is good because, see, this product that we have brought is very unique and it's very labor saving. So right now all the project costs are very restricted. So in that, this is useful and they can complete their projects in time.
So what are your expectations from BC India 2013 and how has been the response so far?
We are expecting, we already have a reach all over India, so we are just expecting it to increase in numbers.
So how do you overlook upon BC India as a platform in strengthening your business opportunities?
See, this is a platform where everybody comes from all over India. So it's a good meeting place. We can revive our relations with all the customers. And we can even display our products, and they can see for themselves how the product is better than the competition.
So what is your opinion about the Indian market as a whole? Has the slowdown anywhere affected you?
It has slowed down overall, but for us it has been good actually. Since it was a bit slow in the last year, but since the beginning of this year it has really picked up, and we are really hopeful.
So you directly heard it from Safari stall. Reporting for EPC World Media, Veena Kurup.